Now let's look at a quick tutorial on how to vacuum the pool. Isolate all the skimmers except for the one that you're vacuuming from. Place the vac head onto the extension pole. Place the hose onto the vac head. Now place the entire assembly in the pool. Snake the hose into the water, and through this process we're eliminating the air so we don't lose the prime on our pump. Now push the vac hose through the weir door opening and put the hose in the suction line, the back pipe. Now you're ready to vacuum the pool. And by the way, don't do this.